Hello, I'm Kim, and I work at the Blaine Police Department as a community outreach specialist. We have a few safety tips and reminders that we'd like to share with you. This one is open garage doors. An open garage door is an invitation for a thief. Remember at night and when you leave to close your garage door. If you see your neighbor's garage door open at night, send them a text. Knock on their door, but let them know that their garage door is open and don't wait until the next morning. Take inventory of your garage. That includes photographing everything that has value to you. Record serial numbers if possible, and load that information up to a thumb drive to keep in a safe place.